Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to solve community guidelines in Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you can do is head over and open up your Instagram, and then on your notification page here, if you have violated any of the community guidelines in Instagram, the message will be shown right here. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on the notification, and there you'll be seeing a button that says appeal. All you gotta do is just simply tap on that button. Once you do that, a dialog box will be appearing in order to write your reason. All you gotta do is write in your reason and then send it to the Instagram. Now if you don't see the option for your notification, then what you can do is just simply head over to any of the browser, and on the search bar simply type in Instagram appeal form. And once you do that, here you'll be seeing these two links. All you gotta do is just simply tap on one of these, and once you tap on that, here you'll be sent to the Instagram help center. Now you can see here my Instagram account was deactivated. Now please only submit this form if your account was deactivated for not following Instagram community guidelines. Now all you gotta do here is simply tap on this yes option, and once you tap on that or select the yes option, here you'll be seeing these other boxes here. Now all you gotta do is enter in your full name, your Instagram username, your email address, and which country are you writing in from. And here you'll need to submit a photo of a government issue ID like your driver's license or your citizenship. And once you are done with that, check this small box and then tap on send, and after a couple of business days, the Instagram will reach you and fix the issue. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.